Good morning, Lena. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. James. I'm fine, thank you. But I have a question.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What's your question?
I really want to speak English fluently like a pro, but I don't know how. I get nervous, and sometimes I forget words.
That's a very common problem, Lena. Don't worry, every English learner feels like that at first. So you want to improve speaking and listening, right?
Yes, sir. I can read and write a little, but speaking and listening are very hard for me.
Okay, let's start with speaking. The best way to improve your speaking is speak every day.
But I don't have anyone to speak with at home.
Then you can talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? That sounds funny.
I know it sounds funny, but it really works. You can describe what you're doing, like, I'm cooking rice, or I'm cleaning my room. It helps you think in English.
Oh, so I can practice English by talking to myself. That's easy.
Exactly. And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster.
Okay, but how can I improve my listening?
Great question. Listening is just like training your ears. You need to listen to English every day.
What kind of things should I listen to?
You can listen to English songs, podcasts, or watch English YouTube videos, like English Speakcast.
Yes, I watch English Speakcast videos. They're very helpful.
That's good. When you listen, try to repeat what you hear. Pause the video and say the same words.
Like shadowing?
Yes, that's called the shadowing technique. You listen and speak at the same time. It's great for improving pronunciation and rhythm.
Wow, I didn't know that. I'll try it today.
Also, don't forget, learn phrases, not just words. For example, instead of learning go, learn go out, go to school, or go shopping.
So phrases help me sound more natural.
Exactly. You'll sound more like a native speaker.
I see. And what about confidence? Sometimes I feel shy when I speak.
Confidence comes from practice and positive thinking. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Just speak. Even if you say something wrong, you are learning.
That makes me feel better. I'll try to speak more, even if it's not perfect.
That's the spirit, Lena. Remember, listen a lot, speak every day, think in English, and don't give up.
Thank you so much, Mr. James. You always make English fun and easy to understand.
You're welcome. I'm proud of you. Now go and practice like a pro.
Yes, sir. From today, I'll talk, listen, and think in English every single day.
That's my girl. Keep going and you'll be fluent before you know it.
Wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Speakcast for more fun English lessons.
Yes, do it first.